I still have your address written on a piece of paper, folded underneath my bed with all the things I couldn't tell you. I wrote the first one in December when the cold was setting in. I said I didn't understand it, how something good could have to end. I wrote that I was sorry for the things I couldn't change, for every time you needed me and I didn't know what to say. Then I folded up the paper and I put it with the rest. Another letter, another fixing. 'Cause why would it change now? You're already gone. Sometimes the truth comes too late to save what you lost. So I write you letters I never send, tell you all the things I couldn't say back then. I tell you that I miss you, I tell you that I'm sorry, I tell you I still love you, but I know it's not enough. I write about the nights when I still reach for your side. I write about the future that we left behind, and every page becomes another way to pretend you're listening. So I keep writing letters I never send. I told you I hope you're doing well. I almost typed your number, then I stopped myself. I wondered if you're happy, if somebody holds you close, if you ever think about me when you're driving past our old road. I wrote about the kitchen where we danced without a song, about the way you used to laugh. I would sing the words so wrong. I wrote what I could give anything to hear that laugh again. Then I cried into the ink red. Maybe silence is kinder than asking you to stay. Maybe some goodbyes are meant to hurt. 'Cause why would it gone? Sometimes the truth comes too late. So I keep writing letters I never send, tell you all the things I couldn't say back then. I tell you that I miss you, I tell you that I'm sorry, I tell you I still love you, but I know it's not enough. I write about the promises we thought would never break. I write about the little things I wish I could remake, and every page becomes another night. So I keep writing letters I never sent. I remember the September rain, the way you painted silver on the streets. I was running late, head down, headphones on, just trying to make it through another week. You were standing by the coffee shop, laughing like the would have done you right. And for a second everything went quiet, like the day stepped out of time. You asked me for the time of day, stumbled through a nervous smile. Funny how the smallest conversations can end up changing your whole life. Back then I didn't know some hearts arrive like home, and some names stay forever, long after they're gone. 'Cause when I found your name, I didn't know I'd carry it for years. Didn't know it'd live inside my songs or hide behind my tears. When I found your name, I thought it was just another day, But looking back, that was the moment everything would change. I could go anywhere, I'd go back the same till the day the world got brighter. When I found your name, we spent winter talking after dark, sharing stories neither of us told. You showed me all your hidden scars, you trusted me with things you couldn't hold. There were nights we drive with nowhere planned, windows down, singing out of key. And somehow in those ordinary moments, you became a part of me. I learned your favorite records by heart, the way you laughed before you cried, the little things that seemed so simple, and all the things I missed tonight. Back then I didn't see how fragile love could be, how something so beautiful could become a memory. 'Cause when I found your name, I didn't know I'd carry it for years, didn't know it echoed through my mind and show up in my fears. When I found your name, I thought forever was a place we'd stay, but life keeps writing chapters that we never get to changing. I could go anywhere, I chose you all the same. Every road began the moment when I found your name. Maybe that's the hardest thing about love, that it leaves but that it gives you something worth missing. And maybe there's a gift hidden inside the pain, and although for a while you had something real. Some people spend a lifetime searching for what we found back then, even if it didn't last forever. I'd do it all again when I found your name. 'Cause when I found your name, I found your name, the colors in my world begin to change. The lonely parts of me found hope, the broken parts found faith. When I found your name, I learned that hearts can heal and hearts can break, that love can leave a mark so deep no time can wash away. And though you're not there